got plenty dough and can satisfy your every need. This guy...
Hey, I'm Beans. Nice to meet you.
Huh? Look, Beans! Look! Uh-oh, too many.
Oh, that's cute, little guy. But back to me.
That'll be the ingredients. Give me a hand, please, Cody.
So with my turbo mode, I'm the fastest bread maker in the world. And you know what goes well with bread in the morning? Coffee.
Oh!
You know what goes well with bread in the morning? The garbage disposal! Uh-oh. Grandma Elsie's recipe! Wait!
Okay, here we go. Funny, I don't remember Grandma's recipe having this much yeast. Oh well. Then in 2 hours, we'll have a lovely loaf of bread.
Perfect timing for us to watch The Bulbous Blob.
I think that's right. Matt, what's the worst that could happen? If Nate thinks that bread maker's broken, he'll send it back.
Whoa!
Or something much, much worse.
Oh, that don't feel right.
Save the baby! Oh, no! Good job I was passing.
Don't worry, Beans. I'll save you. I don't know what went wrong.
You know, a recipe's like an algorithm. Right steps in the right order.
This'll take forever. And what will we even do with all this dough? Wait a minute. The garbage disposal. And an algorithm. Cozmo and Friends.